This 2023 K-Z Durango Gold G358RPQ is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Franklinville, North Carolina, 27248 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart Asheboro. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.